What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. So the mods continue for Beast. That's what I call the Raptor now, Beast. So I just hit up Rough Country. I got a bed cover to go over this, so like when I'm traveling or if I got anything to put in the back, I can keep it all covered up and safe. I went ahead and got a soft cover, and I think I may go with a hard cover later on, but for now I just needed something to cover everything up in the back. Plus, it'll make the truck look a little more sleekish in the back. Is sleekish a word? I'm not even sure. But hey, if it is, if it ain't, I just made it. If it is, I just used it. I don't know. We'll figure out. But here's the cover. So like I said, hit up Rough Country. And actually shipping was fairly quick. I ordered it 2 days ago. I got it today. I ordered it Monday. I got it today. So there's a box here with all the hardware in it, the cover itself, and then the rails. And the rails are even labeled left and right. I'm assuming there's a right in there somewhere, but I'm gonna go ahead and start installing this bad boy. Let's see how it turns out. All right, so here's the install so far. So there's 6 clips that actually clip it onto the bed frame, left and right side. But before you do that, I don't know if you can see in here, there's a screw to actually bolt the frame into the headpiece right here. Back out. And that's the headpiece. There's a frame under here, and there's a flap that'll actually go in between the bed and the cab. But there it is right here. So you insert each frame, left and right frame, into the head rail right there, the frame that goes across the front. Once those are in and they're snug, then you go ahead and tighten down your Allen wrenches, and it comes with an Allen key. And then once that's all done, you line your rails up on your sides and clamp them in. So that's where I'm at so far. Now I have to use the Allen wrench to actually adjust how tight I want the cover to be when I open and close the cover. So that's where I'm at right now. Comes with instructions. We're following them step by step because that's what we do. And I need to hurry up and get this thing out of the garage and get the other cars back in before the tornado comes. So wish me luck. All right, so got it all stretched out, right? Next, there's some adjustments right here that need to be made. So this goes to the closing mechanism, right? And then you'll have to adjust back this way. It only adjusts one, well, actually, yeah, back this way, right, left and right. And what happens is once you get everything lined up, everything's lined up, and you close it, it needs to be taut. And there you have it. So I made the adjustment. It's pretty taut. I don't know why I like that word, taut. It's taut. Close it up. Clean look. All the way around. Those are my peoples out there that have been in the military and made up those beds. You go bounce a quarter off this thing. Boy, that's how tight that is. It's very taut. Yeah, I know. And it's done. Just like that. Rough Country is where I got it from. And we are GTG, baby, good to go. Yeah, your boy is a little tired. I'm trying not to say and too much because the last video that I put out there, I said a lot of uhs and ums, and then the comment section just blew up. And you know what the comment sections was? Every comment. Y'all got me. You got me. It's all good. It's all good. So I'm working on that. Trust me. Believe me. I'm working on it. What's next? Well, whatever. What's next? Struts all the way around. So I bought new struts to go all the way around, and those will get installed here shortly. I think actually I might go ahead and bust out and do the rear tonight while I got some daylight left and before this storm gets, well, man, that storm coming. I might wait. But I'm just so excited to get it done. Like I love working on my cars. So I was about to say but I didn't. I caught myself. Thanks. I would call you out by name, but I forgot. I said it, man. I forgot who you were. But it's all good. It's all good. I'm working on it. Work with your boy. I'm working on it, all right? So, yeah, struts all the way around. That's what's next. I might get my nephew to slide through and help me out with that because a lot of big jobs, my lower back is just not in the game no more. And working on these cars and having to pull and legs and all that, like, I'm not built for it no more. Your boy pushing 50. All right? So, yeah, I might get some help, but I'm so tempted to do these backs real quick. It's not tough. I may knock them out. I may not. I don't know. But anyway, that's all for this video. Like and subscribe. Your boy has merch, so check that out too. Thanks to all my subscribers out there. I really appreciate you. I'm pushing 12,000 subs. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. Working on getting these views up. I'm trying to keep bringing new content. I'm trying my best. But thanks for hanging in there with your boy. And that's all I got for this video, this episode right here, or whatever you want to call it. But doses. I'm out.